Hello friends and strangers, welcome back to another episode of I Bought a Turtleneck and Now I'm Steve Jobs. Sorry there was no video last week, I was at my mum's and she has no internet because apparently Norfolk is still in the dark ages, which we all knew, but geez, even I had better expectations. Anyway, I'm just going to go right in with it. I did a poll on my Instagram that is Laura Lee spelled like this. If you didn't follow me there, you should, because that is where I do all my polls for what my next video should be. And it was a very, very close split, but ultimately an ocean-inspired look won slightly more. So next week will be the Forest Fairy look that came second, because it was literally 52-48. So this is a democracy and it's fine. So an ocean look, let's get right into it, shall we? So in case you were wondering how I did my base, there is a video that should come up right there, and if not, the link will be in the description to that. I don't do it in the same videos as I do just eye makeup looks because it takes too long. So I've got a quick 5-minute video there just to show you how I've done this. So first we're going to go in with Jolie Beauty's Vivacious Palette and a fluffy brush, and we're going to go in with the colour Cream, which is going to act just as a base for the eye. So we're just going to spread that across all over. This works really well as an eye primer, of course. As you know, when I do my base, I do put concealer there anyway as a primer, but it's nice to have just a little bit of extra help. Next, we are going to go in with a fluffy brush from Primark and our Jolie Beauty Proud Palette. Use code LauraK83 for 10% off. The link will be in the description as always. And we're going to go in with colour Lady Fill. For this, you just want to put it basically everywhere above your eye crease. So start spreading that out. As I always say, don't worry that it looks messy right now, because that is exactly what we're going to fix in a short while. So just keep going with that until you are happy with it, and then take a slightly different fluffy brush, also from Primark, and go in with the slightly darker blue Ellen. What we're going to do with this one is we're going to leave just a slight gap at the top where the colour Lady Fill was, and just go from lower than that. This is literally just to make your life easier with blending. And with that darker blue as well, you're going to go just a really thin line underneath the eye. Again, don't worry that it looks messy, because that is what blending is for. Speaking of blending, go back in with the Lady Fill, tap or blow off the excess, and just blend those two colours together. Okay, so once your eye is looking like this, you can go straight in with your cut crease look. So for the crease, we're going to go in with this slightly pressed brush from Primark and our Vivacious Palette by Jolie Beauty, LauraK83, 10% off. And we're going to go in with the colour Destiny. For that, we're just going to run it along the top of the crease, focusing on the outer corner. And then we are going to go back in with our original brush that had the colour Cream on it, and just blend that out. Okay, so once you're happy with how that looks, we're going to properly cut the crease. So for this, you are going to need a very small pressed brush and a little tiny bit of your concealer. And we're just going to create that moon shape on the top eyelid. As always, don't worry about going too far to the edge, because you will just be bringing that darker blue back in and blending it. So, as I just said, bring that darker blue in and just blend it ever so slightly onto the cut crease like that. And then we're going to go in with a glitter for this one. So I've got the Vivacious palette and I've got the colour Cool Down, which is a very cute aqua pressed glitter. As always for the Jolie Beauty pressed glitters, you don't need any adhesive or anything like that. So you can just go straight from pan to brush to eye. And then to blend that into the darker corner of your eye, we are going to go in with this dark blue glitter, which is called Beyond. And we're just going to take some of that pressed glitter and just blend that out. So you basically want your entire eyelid to be glitter, but you want it to be a nice blend of Cool Down and Beyond. And then for that inner corner, we are going to go in with the colour Lost, which is again a pressed glitter from the Vivacious palette, and just give a little sprinkle of glitter onto that corner. Okay, so now to go in with your dark colour Destiny once again and really blend out that outer bit. And then this one, back to the Pride palette. It's a lot of swapping back and forth with this look because they are such similar colours, but that is good. Works to our advantage. And we're just gonna blend that out once again. And then we're gonna want our slightly darker Ellen just to be the transition shade. And then I'm going to take a very, very small brush and dip into the colour A Lock from the Pride palette. It is the darkest blue. And I'm just going to use that and press it very gently along the waterline. Try not to go too far in, as in where you would put eyeliner, just along the lash line at the bottom. So for this look, we are going to add some eyeliner because I think it needs it. So for that, you just want to take your eyeliner. I'm using Maybelline Matte Lasting Drama. I'm going to move my mirror a bit closer as well. And for this one, I'm just going to do a nice like wing, just to tie it all together, you know. Sometimes it looks nice, sometimes it doesn't. I want a wing with this look, so I'm going to have one. Once you are satisfied with how your wing looks, I'm gonna do something just a little bit different just to make it pop loads. And I'm going to take a holographic glitter in the colour Blue. I got this as a set of 12 off Amazon. I will link those in the description, but I absolutely adore them. And with this glitter, you are just gonna need a little bit of fixing gel, which you can get from any sort of beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure I got this one from Boots. Any like clear eyelash glue will work as well. But we're just gonna dab that into the corner under the wing. You just wanna take a small flat brush and just pat those on. Like that. And then we're going to do that once again, just in this upper corner over here. Again, there's no real reason for this. It's just a very cute way to make your eyes pop. And if you're going for an ocean inspired look, then I would assume you're wanting your eyes to really stand out. Just going to bring that down till it meets the inner corner. Now this is cosmetic grade glitter, so you have absolutely nothing to worry about. It's also biodegradable, I believe, so again, nothing to set any panic sensors off. My problem is I love glitter so much that once I start putting it on, I just will absolutely not stop. So once you've done that, you just need to grab your highlighter. I'm going to use the Unicorn Dreams palette from Jolie Beauty and this white one right here. And just grab a different brush to one you've used already. I'm going to use this one. I think it's from Primark or something. I don't know, probably. And then just do some nice highlight up here. And then once more with the light blue, just to blend that into the highlight nicely. Okay, so once you've done that, you can add your falsies. I'm, as always, going with the SOSU Dubai lashes from Primark. They're so cheap, they're only £5. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and add some mascara quickly first. And then you can just grab your tweezers and your lash glue and your lashes and stick them on. I am going to do that and do my other eye off camera, and then I will be back with my narcissistic montage at the very end so you can see how this final look turns out. That is the end of my deep ocean inspired eye look, I guess. I don't really know what I would call it. As always, this video is intended for people who are on a budget. I do not use anything overly expensive in this video, and my entire makeup kit costs less than 100 quid. So, you know me, I'm here for my budget gals. Yes, next week will be a forest fairy inspired look, so keep an eye out for that one. I think I might go a little bit more editorial, a bit more avant-garde with it, but let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!